Hello everyone. So let's start today's session. Before that, I have something to say for you. Success is never achieved accidentally. So we have to work hard and sometimes even we have to work smart. It all depends on the situation we are in. So let's start today's class, that is mental ability test basic concepts. We'll move to the next slide where we are going with the chapter 1, that is odd man out. So the concept odd man out is process of putting the things or object into a group, then finding the one which is not relevant in that all the four options. So based on the different types, they have divided into based on formations, relation between two elements and method of writing, number of sides and based on different elements, real image based on position and rotation. We'll see one after the other based on formation. So based on the formation here, we can see there are different the options, that is option 1 here it's a triangle, option 2 it's a square, and the option 3 it's a circle, and option 4 it's a pentagon. When we see here, we have to know the difference, that is all the option except circle, all other options are made up of a straight lines, but the circle is not made up of a line. So on this formation, based on this formation, we can opt the circle out into the different one. We'll move to the next one, that is based on number of side. In this type, there are designs with equal number of sides. We have to look into the options where we can see that option 1 has 6 number of side, option 2 has 7 number of sides, option 3 has 6 number, and option 4 has 6 number of side. From this we can get to know that option 2, which has 7 number of sides, we can opt this out from all other options. Like this, we can differentiate all the other figures and the one which is odd. We'll move to the next one, that is based on position. In this type, all the elements will be in one for this particular example, all the shaded arrow and the outer arrow are in the same direction. We can observe the first option is in the same direction, as well as second and fourth are in the same direction. Whereas in the figure 3, there is the opposite direction of an arrow which is outside the shaded region. So this can be the odd option. When we see here, this is the odd one out of among all these four. The next type is based on relation of two elements. We can see in this example 4, there is a concept here, the two elements are related some way. So we have to find the option 1 here, the outer figure is of 7 sides and inner figure is of 4 sides. Likewise, in the second figure, it's like square and inside it's a triangle. So the 4 and 3, the number of sides will be 4 and again 3. In the figure 3, there are 5 sides outer and 4 sides inner. In figure 4, there are 6 sides outer and 5 sides inner. From all this, we can come to one conclusion, that figure number 2, 3, and 4 have outer figures one greater than the inner figures number of sides. So we can see the option 1 here, it doesn't get satisfied with the all other things, all other options. So we can go with this option as an odd option. Next one is based on different elements. So we can see in example 5, there are 4 options. In first option, there are 3 addition symbols and 2 multiplication symbols. Likewise, in second option, there are 3 addition symbols and 2 multiplication symbols. In option 3, there are again the same thing which is as a past, and whereas in the fourth figure, there are 3 multiplication symbols and 2 addition symbols. So from this, we can get to know that option 4 is the odd one out from all the options. So we'll mark this out. So this is based on different elements. The number of elements count, we can differentiate all the other options with 1, and that would be the odd element among all. Based on rotation, we have to observe whether the components which are rotating are in anti-clockwise or in clockwise direction. One among them will be odd, so we have to find based on the directions which they are moving. We'll see example 6. In this, the first option, it is moving in an anti-clockwise direction, and in a second option also it is moving in an anti-clockwise, and third option it is same in the anti-clockwise direction. whereas in the fourth option it is moving in a clockwise direction. So from this we can get to know that option 4 is the wrong, or we can say that it's an odd element among all the four. So this can be the perfect example for based on rotation. Next type is based on method of writing. So in this, we can see the option 1, 2, 3, and 4 are made up of lines. But we can observe one thing, that option 2 has only 2 lines, whereas option 1, option 3, and option 4, that is C, Z, and N, are made up of 3 straight lines. So in this way, we can add one option, that is option 2, because it is made up of 2 lines. This is the best example for the method of writing. We'll move to the next one, that is based on real images. So example 8 here, we know that book, pencil, eraser are related to the writing, whereas cycle is odd, or we can say different from all the three. So this is based on real. We can consider an example similar to this as laptop, mobile phone, tab, and an ice cream. So in this, all the three are electronic gadgets, and the other one is a ice cream. So we can mark it out ice cream. So, but we'll come back to this one, that is the cycle. We can mark this, and this would be the ordering out based on the real images. In this video, I have explained the different types of ordering out elements. So, in the next video, I'll be coming up with few more examples and will be solving the questions from the book. So, we'll have some more interesting concepts to be learned in this particular thing. We'll be doing the best out of everything. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and I'll be coming up with some more interesting videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone.